It's your boy, the Google of Lagos, and I'm live with.
And
Alright, bro. French Montana. I want to know the cost of all the outfits you're putting on. Are you ready, bro?
I think so.
Yeah, bro. Okay, how much is the highest, bro?
$500,000.
$500,000.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's crazy. Sorry, how much is the shirt?
Couple thousand.
Couple of $1,000.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's crazy. How much is the fit?
$200.
$200. Whoa, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So, what song are you dropping next, bro?
I wish you well.
With who?
Sway Lee.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Not from Nigeria.
Oh, that's crazy.
Can't forget about the Richard Millie.
I'm sorry, bro. How much is the Richard Millie?
I don't know.
You have to tell me the price, please. How much is it?
$500,000.
$500,000. Whoa, bro, you want $1 million right now? That's crazy.
From my heart.
All right, thank you so much, bro.
My
Nice.
heart,
Thank you for granting the interview.
Let's do it.
All right, bro.